What's up, guys? It is I, That Little Coffee, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to play some Super Mario 3D All-Stars, but we're just going to go ahead and just play Super Mario 64. So, that's what we're doing today. This is my childhood right here. As you can see, I have the beanie of it. This was like middle school. I got this. Still fits my head though, so no, I do not wear this one often. So I'm just like, whoa, let's go, yay, all that good stuff. Wow, look at that artwork. It's a me, Mario. Oh, this is my childhood right here. One of the best games to ever exist. So revolutionary. Hold on, can I? No. Alright, let's play.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool. Peach.
This was the last game in the entire series that they ever called her Toadstool. Princess Toadstool. And then after that they called her Peach. Like, I remember some games that she was in that they called her Toadstool. Like Mario RPG, like all the other games before that, like something like that. I don't know. They just started calling her Peach suddenly. I don't know why. That's why this game is another reason why this game is revolutionary. Not only because it's like 3D and stuff. It's a 64 game, all that stuff. Wow. Look at Mario. This is not that bad. Wow. Trying the new starry flavor. Lemon and lime. It's not that bad, actually. Okay. Let's play this game. Yeah, okay. There we go. Oh boy, I like the. So this is okay. This is 3D All Stars. I know some of y'all are gonna be like, well, why won't you play the 64 version, the actual 64 version? That's the one where you can do the backwards long jump and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna play this one. I don't have an adapter yet, but one day I will. So if y'all want me to do just have a 5 minute probably like a 10 second video of me just doing the backwards long jump, like succeeding on it too. If y'all really want me to just do that, then let's do it. I mean, like, come on, like, yeah. Alright. Bowser. That, that gave me nightmares as a kid. Not gonna lie. I played the one on the DS and everything, and okay, Super Mario 64 DS is the one 64 game I grew up with, actually, because, I mean, I grew up with both, but, I never grew up with a Nintendo 64 console. So, my first ever, game I ever played was probably a Sega Genesis. So, I mean, that and my little DS, like a little DS Lite, and yeah. So those were my first games. So Mario 64 was one of them. So I think this game came out 2005. I'm not so sure, but let's get into it. This is a childhood favorite right here. I always watch so many people mod 64 games, do speed runs, do skits off of this. Yeah, childhood favorite game, so revolutionary. Let's go. Okay, so, shoot. Oh, there we go. Got it. Wait, what am I doing? I can't even get the, like, all the coins yet, because I need, like, the bird cap, I think. No. I need the, what's it called? The pink bomb cannon. This is the first one you can get. There we go. See? Every time I play this on like the laptop or something like that, like emulated and stuff, it's so hard to do that. But it, like controller and stuff, it's so much easier.
Here we go.
First star. First star. Wait, is there a Koopa over here? There's not a Koopa over here. Because like you can like ride their shell and stuff. That was close. No! I'm gonna go back down. Damn it. Here's a little trick I know from up the sleeve. Look at that! I'm so skilled! I'm such an acrobat. I'm so athletic. You want to know something cool? Secret tunnel! Secret tunnel! Through the mountains. Alright, here goes Bomb, the first boss of the game. Let's do it. When I was playing this game as a kid, I didn't find out until, like, I had to just grab his butt like this. And then I always, like, when I did that, I grabbed him, I always thought I had to throw him off. And, like... No! No, don't throw me off! Okay. What? Okay, that's weird. Okay, so you grab him, and then I always threw him off, and he told me like not to like throw him off the field because it was unfair play, even though he threw me off the field so many times. Like, come on, like, dude is unfair. Dude is unfair. An unfair match. But why I say unfair match is because I am stronger. And it took me the longest time to figure out that, like, you had to throw him literally on the ground. I thought you had to throw him off the cliff. So I never got his star for a while until I finally figured that out.
Here we go.
Second star. Now I'm gonna go face, what's his name? Koopa the Quick.
Let's go.
Alright, so you come over here and like just like, yeah, just race him. Just go through his dialogue, I guess. So easy. Ouch. I'm a speedrunner. Speedrunner. Okay. Jump. Just use this secret tunnel. Come on. Teleport. Teleport. There you go. Did you know you could do that, though? There we go. Now we just wait. Now you wait. How's your day going, guys? I can take a nap right now. But anyways, where is he? There he is. There he is. Oh, oh. There you go. And he'll just give you a star.
Here we go. Let's go.
Okay, so this star, this level, you unlock the cannons and stuff in this level. Just talk to this guy. There we go. Bon voyage. Let's do this. No. I don't want to talk to you again. Stay out of my sight. Disgusting creatures. Get out of my sight. Alright, just, where's the island at? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna make that, but let's try it. Yeah, knew it. That was cool. Ooh. No, I went too far. Nope, yep, I definitely went too far. Oh. Alright, we're here. Yay, let's get the star. Let's leave. Most enthusiastic player in the world. What was that, 4 stars, I think? Is that 4 stars? Yeah, 4 stars. Sorry if I didn't put the stars over there yet. Who do I have? What do I have to do next? Oh yeah, just do the red coins. Okay, I think this is gonna be my last time, like my last part in the Bob-omb Battlefield. Oh, don't! No! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Woo! I know y'all speedrunners are gonna be like, come on, man! I would have gotten to Bowser already. Gosh, like 70. I needed to. I should have gotten to 70 stars already, man. I'm here to enjoy this game and enjoy it with people watching. Like I take things like I don't speedrun games. I mean, I do sometimes, but like, I enjoy myself as I do it. If that does that make sense? Like, I enjoy them. Let's shoot this cannon over here. Kill the Goomba. Oh, apparently Mario is a mass murderer. I mean, he basically is. So, according to like lore and stuff, Mario is like, yeah, he's trying to save the princess and all that, but you gotta think about the toads and the blocks he's hitting and stuff. All the blocks he is apparently hitting are like the same species as Goombas. And the Goombas, they turn, like, every block that you smashed and all that stuff were toads. Like, Bowser casts his magic to turn every, like, toad and stuff into blocks. And that's why sometimes when you smash, like, a block and stuff, you get a mushroom. Like a regular grow-up mushroom and stuff. And it's so weird because it, like, I thought of that, like, I've never thought about that theory, but it makes sense. Oh, and there's another one. There's another theory that, like, apparently this is confirmed by, like, the manga and stuff that, like, recently released. I'm not sure. But, Apparently, they're like the one-up mushrooms and stuff. Like, they are like those are dead Mario's. Like, it's like in a loop and stuff. Like every death you do, like a mushroom, one-up mushroom is there for you. Like, the mushroom, Mario is buried in the ground, and like like the stems and everything are rooting up, and a one-up mushroom appears from him. It makes sense because it's like life force and stuff. You get what I'm saying, right? No, you don't. Okay, let's keep playing the game. This is what I've heard from like manga. See, look, oh, Mario! It's a dead Mario. Oh god. Oh jeez. Okay, so I got that. Another dead Mario. Okay. Dude, I forgot where one of them were. Wait, I only have 6 right now? I have 6 coins. Wait, right here. Yeah, 6 coins. Okay. So we're gonna go to this chain shop. Jump. So we grab that coin. No! 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 I knew I was gonna mess that up. Never mind. Did not mess it up. Let's go to a different place. A place that we can all, like, just have fun at.
Hegel.
Nice. Ta-da! You didn't know you could do that? Yeah, that's funny. You got a lot of you got like 5 coins out of it. I think this is one of the easiest stages to do like 100 coin run on it. Oh! So smooth, so sneaky. Ouch. There we go. Whew. I thought I didn't have that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the 100 coin part and then kill the boss. Put this out. No! Stop running. Why did I not grab, bro? Grab the ledge. Free one up right here. Grabbed it. I got 12 more left. I don't know where this will appear. Oh god, no. That's close. Wait, you dropped some. You dropped some coins. Yeah, see? I knew it. I knew they would drop coins. I think there's like 2 more. No, no, 1 more. Come on, please. I literally need 2 more coins, and then I got it. I literally need 2 more coins, and if you got 2 more coins for me, that would be great. No. There's one over. There's a star over there. I ain't letting that happen. Okay, here we go. Let me try to make this jump. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I forgot I could just... I didn't know you could give... I didn't even know there was a star right there. And once you get 100 coins... Did you... Yeah, so... If you get 100 coins for each level, if you didn't know, obviously. If you got 100 coins for each level, then you get a star. But you get to stay in the game, so you can collect your other star. Like this one right here.
Here we go.
Genius. Yeah, 50 coins equals 50 coins equals a 1, by the way. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Mario movie coming out next Wednesday, I think. Chris Pratt. I'm playing Chris Pratt 64, bro. Is that still funny? Is that still funny though? Alright, let me go kill this Thwomp guy. Or Womp. Difference between Thwomp and Womp. If you didn't know. Alright, here we go. Come on, jump on me. Pancake me. You better pancake me. Alright. No! That would have been bad. Come on. Try me. Boom. See? Done. That's my 8 star. Yeah, so Womps and Thwomps. Thwomps are just the big square ones that just crush your balls. And then the Womps are just the pancake ones. Just remember that if you didn't know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I forgot the whole tower thing was here. There we go.
Here we go.
That's my 9-star. Okay, you know what? Maybe one more star, then I might just end the episode there. Wait, you know what? Is there another one I know? Yes. Ooh, I do know one. I can get it.
Let's go.
Is it this one? Yes, it is. Now what I have to do is grab that owl. Did you know that was there? I never knew that until I was like an adult. Wait, that's right. I have to grab the owl. Like you have to hold B. You have to hold like the grab button and stuff in order to like stay on him. Like. Which I think is really cool. Wait. No! You imbecile! Wait, was I supposed to control that? For some reason, I think that the owl is like... Wait, doesn't that owl appear in another level? I'm not so sure. Wait, do you reappear? There we go. Why you throw me that way? I was close. Come on, man. Oh, that's right. Why? No! Come, gosh, why are you throwing me literally the opposite direction? That's cool. There we go. So then that's how you get that 1 star right there.
Here we go.
That was the one I was talking about last. Alright, 10. Shoot. No. It's 10 for you. This side. 10 for you. Oh no. Isn't Bowser's open? Wait a minute, isn't Bowser's open though? See, the light, the beam is, but yeah. Oh, it is. Yep. But I'm not gonna fight him that. Wow. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, this is the end of this episode. If you like this series so far, then I will definitely upload some more. Even though if you like it or not, but it is what it is. So if y'all like this series, then just give it a subscribe. Go to the channel, subscribe, and then hit the notifications if you want to keep updated on all my videos and all that stuff. But anyways, guys, I will see y'all another time. Peace out. See ya.